MBA crash course on Advanced Excel for Business Analytics. Advanced Excel for Business Analysis is a crucial skill set for professionals looking to excel in data analysis, financial modeling, and decision-making. It involves leveraging advanced features and functions within Microsoft Excel to manipulate, analyze, and visualize data effectively. Now, let's explore some key aspects of Advanced Excel for Business Analysis. 1. Data manipulation. Mastering data manipulation techniques such as sorting, filtering, conditional formatting, and data validation to organize and clean datasets. 2. Advanced formulas and functions. Utilizing advanced formulas and functions, including logical functions, if, and, or, lookup functions, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, statistical functions, average, count, sum, and financial functions, NPV, IRR, to perform complex calculations. 3. Pivot tables and pivot charts. Creating dynamic pivot tables and pivot charts to analyze large datasets, identify trends, and gain insights into business performance. 4. Data analysis tools. Utilizing Excel's built-in data analysis tools, such as Solver for optimization problems, GoalSeek for sensitivity analysis, and Scenario Manager for scenario analysis. 5. Advanced charting. Designing visually appealing and insightful charts, including waterfall charts, sparklines, and dynamic charts, to effectively communicate data-driven insights. 6. Data modeling. Building sophisticated financial models, including forecasting models, valuation models, and budgeting models, using Excel's powerful modeling capabilities. 7. Data visualization with PowerView and PowerMap. Leveraging Excel's PowerView and PowerMap tools to create interactive and visually compelling data visualizations and geographical representations. 8. Automation with macros. Automating repetitive tasks and creating custom functions using Excel's VBA, Visual Basic for Applications, macros, improving efficiency and productivity. 9. Data connections and external data sources. Connecting Excel to external data sources, such as databases and web services, to import and analyze real-time data. 10. Scenario analysis and what-if analysis. Performing scenario analysis and conducting what-if analysis using Excel's data tables, GoalSeek, and Scenario Manager to assess the impact of various scenarios on business outcomes. 11. Advanced data analysis techniques. Applying advanced data analysis techniques, such as regression analysis, correlation analysis, and statistical hypothesis testing, to uncover relationships and patterns in data. 12. Spreadsheet auditing and error handling. Implementing techniques for auditing spreadsheets, detecting errors, and ensuring data accuracy, such as tracing precedents and dependents, and utilizing error-checking functions. In summary, Advanced Excel for Business Analysis equips professionals with the skills to manipulate and analyze data efficiently, create insightful visualizations, and build complex financial models. By mastering advanced Excel techniques, individuals can drive data-informed decision-making, enhance productivity, and add value to their organizations. Poem. ChatGPT. In the realm of cells and formulas, where data transforms beyond the norm. Advanced Excel, a powerful tool. Unleashing insights, making us cool. With data in our hands, we manipulate. Sorting, filtering, cleaning, we elate. Conditional formatting, precision and sight. Taming the data, making it right. Formulas and functions, our guiding light. Logical tests, lookup delights. Statistical calculations, numbers unfold. Financial functions, values we behold. Pivot tables and pivot charts, dynamic and grand. Analyzing data, trends at our command. Uncovering patterns, insights unfurled. In the world of Excel, a data-driven world. Advanced charts, visual wonders we create. Waterfalls, sparklines, charts to captivate. Communicating data, in colors and lines. Visual representations, where insight shines. Financial models, forecasts we build. Valuation and budgeting, success fulfilled. Excel's modeling powers, at our fingertips. Driving strategic decisions, with financial tips. Power View and Power Map, visual delights. Interactivity and geography unite. Data visualizations, engaging and clear. Presenting information that stakeholders revere. Macros and automation, time we save. Repetitive tasks, no longer a slave. Custom functions, tailored to our needs. Excel's VBA macros, efficiency proceeds. Connecting to external sources, we expand. Importing real-time data, at our command. Data connections, bridging the gap. Excel as our gateway, to the data trap. Scenario analysis, exploring what-ifs. Data tables and goal seek, offering lifts. Assessing impacts, making plans. Excel's analytical power, in our hands. Spreadsheets audited, errors we trace. Data accuracy, we embrace. Tracing precedents and dependence, we see. Excel's error handling, setting us free. In the realm of advanced Excel, we stand. Mastering the skills, in demand. Data analysis, insights unfold. Excel's magic, a story untold. Please note that the poem provided is for illustrative purposes only and is meant to capture the essence of advanced Excel for business analysis. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?i as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.